'Cause you know the world is beautiful, so beautiful. 'Cause you know the world is beautiful, so beautiful. And I just can't hide how I feel about you. Nothing can take that away. 'Cause you make the world so beautiful, so beautiful.
Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome if you're new. My name is Kimmy and we're over on this channel. We do mobile home living videos. So today we have a grocery haul. I just got done, as y'all saw, putting all this down here. I'm going to show you what we got. We did spend $149, which is kind of a lot for us, but we got a lot of stuff. So I can't wait to show you what we got in this grocery haul, and then we'll go ahead and just like rinse the grapes and get everything put away. So if you're new here, we are a family of 2 adults, and then we also have 2 cats and 1 dog, and then there's also a couple of cats outside that do not belong to us that we also kind of help out and just make sure they have food and stuff like that out there. So here we go. Got a thing of grapes. Aaron likes grapes. Also got an onion. We have a ton of cucumbers, so I thought it would be fun to make a cucumber dill salad. So I got a purple onion for that, and then I also grabbed some of this baby dill to put in there. Peanut butter crackers, these are also for Aaron. We got some ground pork because the ground beef was super expensive today, so in case we want to do tacos one night, we have some pork for that. Also got these thick cut pork chops. They were only $2.89, which was just too good to pass up, so grab that. Did I show you all we got some milk? Mainly because these macaroni, these were only $1, and the Food Line brand was $1.19 or something like that. So I thought, you know what, get those. You just have to add milk to them. So that's what we're gonna do. The mashed potatoes, and this is going up the same day that these are the prices at the store today. These were 4 for $5, so I did end up getting 4 of them. I got the buttery golden select and then the classic mashed potatoes. Got some reduced fat shredded cheese. I don't even mind that it's reduced. I just was picking up one because someone was over there stocking the cheese. We did get some of these Frigo cheesehead combo packs, sharp cheddar and beef sticks, and then this one is the mozzarella cheese beef salami sticks. And thankfully they were on sale this time. Okay, got some like little Oreo cookies from the Food Line brand, some whole kernel corn. Now I got this name brand instead of the Food Line can because I went out and bought a brand new can opener just so I could open the Food Line cans, and it still doesn't want to open them. They always kind of open a little, and then you have this piece that's still stuck there, and it's just really stubborn. So these do cost a little bit more, you know, like $0.25 more. It's not a huge difference, but it is a difference. But if these just open properly, it will be worth it to me. So I got 2 things of corn, and then also the fresh cut green beans. The Jack's pizzas are only $3.99 at our store, so I got 2 pepperoni in those. So we like the thin crust ones, and then these right here were on sale. Buy 2 get 1, or buy 2 get the 3rd free, but they were also 2 for something. So really good deal on the Grill Mates like dinner seasoning. So these are all 15-minute marinade mixes. I got a chipotle pepper, which I think would, I don't know what kind of cut of meat that is, if that's chicken, but I thought that this would be good with the pork chops. So that's my idea for that. Then I've got a whole thing of chicken breast here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 meals of chicken breast, and I can do like a mesquite marinade for one of the chicken breasts. I can do black garlic and parmesan for another one. And then I don't know if I have any cream of chicken or mushroom left in the fridge, but I can always come up with something else to do for the other pieces of chicken. Okay, I needed to get some personal care items. I'm not going to say what these are, even though I don't think it's gross or anything. But anytime I bring up this topic, I do get comments of like, ew, that's gross, don't talk about that. So, you know, I think that's a little bit childish, but whatever. These are the ones I got though. Highly recommend. Unscented, by the way. Don't get the scented ones. And then this goes with it. That's my combo pack right there. So these are Aleve liquid gels. There's 50 in here. They work wonders, in my opinion. I have used all sorts of other things to help me during that time of the week. This helps me the most. So their drinks were 4 for $12. I got Pepsi Starry for Aaron, and then Diet Mountain Dew for me, of course. I am a creature of habit, y'all. And then we did grab tortilla shells. So that's also something I can do with the rest of the chicken. I can make fajitas, and then I can make the tacos. So I'm just kind of giving y'all the recipe ideas as we go, but I will also cook these. This video is going to be short, but I will go ahead and start another video tonight when I get ready to cook dinner, and I will do one of those. I might do this. I might do the pork chops because I'm really curious to see how this is, and Aaron likes Chipotle, so I think he would be excited about that. And then the last thing we got was this huge thing of cat food. I have it upside down, but it is the Friskies, sorry y'all, Friskies Tender Crunch. So they really like these. We switched them to these months ago, and they love it. So it's got chicken, beef, carrot, and green beans. Look how cute that is. I love cats, y'all. I love dogs. I love Chloe. I am a cat person. I love all animals, but like if I had to pick just one, the cats are just different. But anywho, it is time to get all of these groceries put away, so we're gonna go ahead and start doing that. And I did not declutter or anything in the fridge today. I did do it the other day, so it should be fine, but we need to go ahead and get this stuff put in there. In the next video as well, I will make the dill cucumber salad, because I think that would be fun to do with y'all. Alright, I'm gonna stop talking and play some music and get this stuff put up.
Tonight is all
You know what? I don't know if I ever showed y'all this, but I did grab some of these Vitafusion B12 gummies for energy. So I'll show you this. I've had this for a while now, and I should take these. This is just a women's multivitamin, and I knew it had B12 in it, but when I went over here to look and see how much B12 it has, okay, vitamin B12, 7.2 mcg, so it says 300%. This one, however, it says it right on the front, I think. It has 1000 mcg, which is like an insane difference. This says 41,667%. But y'all, I need it. I need it, especially when it gets hot outside. I feel like I lose all motivation when it's hot. Like all of our energy, I feel like, just gets sucked out because of the heat. So I'm going to be taking this for now, and then if I feel like that's not doing enough, then I'll take this. But I don't want to, I'm a little nervous to combine both of them, since this does have a little bit, but it's so small. So let me know if you take a multivitamin that has the B12, but you also take B12. Just let me know. I have had like anemia and things like that in the past, but I don't know if I still have them, or if they were diet related at the time. So yeah, but just, I'm hopeful this is what gives me energy. Anyways, that is it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I will see you back here tomorrow. We're gonna do a little bit of cooking and then probably a little bit of cleaning as well. We have got a full week scheduled saying that we're gonna get a lot of rain, so we may do a lot of things inside. I want to do more shop with me videos, even though I don't really buy a lot of stuff. I'm not like a huge consumer or anything, but I do like to window shop. So let me know if you want to see more shop with me videos. And yeah, alright, that's it. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.